Hi, I'm Jordy Matthews, and welcome to Be Someone Design Company's YouTube channel. I'm a graphic designer based in Colorado with over 20 years experience. I've worked for agencies, I've worked in-house for a multitude of companies. I've worked with companies like Disney, Purgatory Ski Resort, and many more. I've built a six-figure freelance career doing what I love, helping brands tell stories through thoughtful design. But it wasn't always this way. When I first started, I had no roadmap, no big clients, and honestly no idea what I was doing. I made mistakes, learned the hard way, and found through a little bit of hard work and some networking that I could turn my creativity into a thriving business. This channel is my way of giving back, sharing everything I've learned over the 2 decades in the industry. Whether you're a new designer starting out your business or looking for a better way to understand branding or design, you'll find something here for you. Here's what you can expect from my channel. Cool Illustrator tips and tricks to elevate your design skills, behind the scenes insights into branding and web design projects, freelance advice from finding clients to setting your rates, and yes, how to create a 6-figure freelance business of your own. My goal is to inspire you and help you avoid some of the pitfalls I fell into. So if that sounds like your vibe, hit that subscribe button and follow along on this journey. And please don't forget, I'm new to this whole YouTube thing, so please comment and tell me what you'd like to see. Subscribe now for new videos every week and follow me on Instagram for even more design inspiration.